Hey guys, welcome to Excel tutorial channel again, and this is another episode of text functions in Excel. So this video will be the unique video because we haven't covered these particular set of text functions in our overview video, which is the episode number 1. So in this we will cover the change of cases in Excel. So to change the case of text in Excel, we will use lower, upper and proper function, but we will also use the power of other option which are included in Microsoft Excel, which is the flash fill. So we have already made the video on flash fill in our previous video, which you can also see in our channel. So let's get started. So this is the full name here, and this is the same set of data which we have in the separate strings video. And so we have this. As you can see, we have the Naomi, Kimmich, Nancy Rall, and you can notice that we have the lowercase of the roll and uppercase of this. So this seems to be the perfect. Okay, so to make it to the lowercase, we just need to enter the lower function here. So where is the lower? Here is the lower, and select this particular cell, and there you go. So all the strings in this particular cell will be converted to the lower. All the text in this particular cell will be changed to the lowercase, and if we apply to all, there you go. So everything is converted or changed to lowercase. And similarly, these functions are very straightforward, and similarly we will use the upper and here, and this is the uppercase here. So, and if you wanted to make it a proper case, like as you can see, we have this Nancy Rall, which is the roll is the lowercase, Rima Sharma, which is the R is in the lowercase. So if you want to make it a proper, you can do that with the help of proper function. These functions are very straightforward. Okay, and if we apply it to all, we can see the Nancy Rall is uppercase now, which is the proper now. So this is very straightforward function, and you can use this. And where you gonna use this? You can use this in your thousands of entries also, but there's actually no need to use these functions. You can use the flash fill to fill it out for you. Okay, what is flash fill? And I will also state the limitation of flash fill. Okay, so if I just want to make it a uppercase, you just look this, type the first one. Okay, and in the next just enter the Ctrl+E, and this will trigger the flash fill option in the Excel, and there you go. Right, similarly, just you need to just enter in the lower case and Ctrl+E, and you get all the values or text data in the lowercase option. And if you want to add it as a proper, let's see if it does work or not. No, it doesn't. Right, so these are some of the limitation of Excel, but it just written down as usual like this. But if I just change this like this, and as you can see, the R of Rima is uppercase. So that's how you can auto correct it in your values. Okay, so if you have some our flash fill works from the upward to downward. Okay, so flash will take this particular outcome which you have entered as an example and apply same type of set to the all, because this was the same as this. So flash fill just assume that this is all the same data, so these just copied and pasted like this. But if you correct one more value downwards, like we have edited the Nancy Rall here, and all the values have corrected accordingly. So that's how you can use flash fill efficiently. Right, same way you can also, like, you want to take the initials like this, NK, and here is the another limitation. If I click the Ctrl+E, there you go. So it has take it as example, because we have included NK as the uppercase. So there we have the NK here, but it didn't include the R part. Why? Because it wasn't in the uppercase. But if we just say this, so it will create the conflict. Why? The right part is triggered as the uppercase as initial, but here we have the left part, which is the lowercase here in the Rima, and it will cause the problem here. here is the limitation how and where you cannot use the flash fill. So for this we need to add which function? Proper function. We first need to convert these particular values to the proper, and then we can create the initials with the help of flash fill. Hope you understand these set of functions which can also be used in the text functions. So these are the upper, lower and proper function which we have also discussed the flash fill in Excel and also its limitations. Hope you get the video what I was trying to say, but if you have the questions, you have all comment box with you. And if you like this video, if you have learned something from this, please click the like button, and if you want to share it to your colleagues, you can also share it, embed it, do whatever you want. And if you want to learn more about Excel and Excel functions in detail, do log on to exceltutorial.net and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.